All right, time for some Finally Friday birthdays here in the 4 states. And we begin in Fort Scott with Natalie Murphy celebrating the big number 2. Happy birthday, Natalie.
And up next, we have Marjorie Falk turning 4 years old. Look at that cutie there in Pittsburgh.
And we've got Joella Olivis celebrating birthday number 7 in Fort Scott. Very happy birthday to you.
All right, Jackson Maddox celebrating birthday number 8 in Joplin. Love Papa and Momo.
And we've got Adeline Midget celebrating birthday number 8 as well over in Chetopa. Happy birthday, Adeline.
In Pittsburgh, turning 14. Time to celebrate for Zane Aiken.
And we've got Bella Ascanio celebrating birthday number 14 in Pittsburgh with love from your family. Happy birthday, Bella.
Fredonia, Kansas is celebrating along with Emma Barton, who's now 17 years old.
And we've got Lindsay Lee Tubaugh celebrating birthday number 32. A very happy birthday to you.
And Lindsay Joe McDonald down in Quapaw, Oklahoma. Look at who she's pictured there with. Chris, you see that?
I do. Everybody's favorite weatherman. We've also got Nicole Massey celebrating birthday number 34. Happy birthday, Nicole.
And Josh Smith celebrating birthday number 42 this year in Girard. And there's a note here that said, happy birthday from I'm guessing your friends at Girard Farmers Bank?
Perhaps. Yeah, some of our notes got cut off, so if you don't hear us reading them, it's just because the way this thing printed, it was a little strange. Well, we've also got Juliet Dooley celebrating a birthday in Webb City with love from your sunshine sister.
All right, and Verna Cosart celebrating in Columbus. Another year wiser, another year more beautiful. Happy birthday, Verna.
And Patty Gaithier celebrating in Fort Scott with love from all of your family. And a great throwback picture there, Patty. Happy birthday.
Love that. Susan Buchanan celebrating number 73 this year. Susan is in Jasper, Missouri.
And Susie Jackman celebrating birthday number 76 in Moran. A very happy birthday to you, Susie.
All right, turning 77 this year. It's time to celebrate for Doris Dake down in Fairland, Oklahoma, with love from your daughter, Crystal, and the entire family.
And we've also got Cleo Natalini celebrating birthday number 95 in Frontenac. Says, happy birthday, beautiful Cleo. We love you.
All right. And our list goes on. Jennifer Eckhart celebrating another birthday. Hope it's a great one.
Along with Mildred Beecham celebrating a birthday as well. Happy birthday to you, Mildred. This is what happens when I say, please send us your birthdays, because our lists were so short the last couple of days. Tanya, you called it. This was, page and a half long? We love that. We want more birthdays and anniversaries. Where do they need to get them to?
All they have to do is send them to this email, birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And of course, you know what else you should be doing is you should be going to our website and checking out the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get a special note from your friends here at KOAM on your birthday. Head over to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.